All right, guys, I need your help again. I have 3 openings for this week's video, and I need your help on which one I should use, which one sounds the best, which one looks the best, which one's the most intriguing. All right, here they are, 1, 2, and 3. Thanks, guys. I got a question for you. Have you ever heard of the snake method when cooking on a Weber kettle? Super simple. It's not very glorious, though. It just is perfect, though, when it comes to cooking proteins, anything that you want to cook low and slow. I'm going to show you how to do it right now. Are you looking for barbecue joint quality pork ribs? I'm telling you, the snake method on the Weber kettle is the way to go. These things have perfect coloring. There's no barbecue sauce on these whatsoever. Low and slow is the way to go. And I'm going to show you how to do it right now. Well, you start right here. And just start building our snake from here. I got a question for you. Have you ever heard of the snake method when it comes to cooking your proteins on the Weber kettle? It's kind of a simple method. It's very boring, but it works. And if you're in a pinch, let's say like your smoker's down and you're in a pinch and you got to cook up some protein or whatever, this is definitely the way to go. This is a 2-part series though, because in the next series, I'm going to show you how to cook baby back ribs, just like we did here, over a gas flat top.